All right, Drew's Roofing and Home Repair. We are located in Brunswick County, North Carolina, and we are on a beach house, obviously, as you can see. And we're using the SureNail shingle, and I'm going to show you how we install them. And I hope your contractor does the same. If not, I don't know what to tell you. But we do them according to what the package says. And the package says to do them like this, and this is it. Hope you like my video, and look forward to having you as a subscriber. We'll do our best to make our channel interesting. See you soon. Drew's Roofing and Home Repair of Southport, North Carolina, or Brunswick County, North Carolina. This is the way we do it. The other thing that the package says is don't put your shingles over the ridge. The reason being is these are a two-part shingle. And being two-part shingle, when you lay it over the ridge, it will sometimes cause a... That won't work. $50 ain't enough. Our neighbor just said they might have a missing shingle and told us they'd give us $50 to replace it. And we don't do shingles for $50. Anytime a nail sticks up, if it doesn't drive down all the way tight, hit that nail with a hammer. You do not want your nail sticking up in any way. Again, the good thing is we're using stainless steel roofing nails. And this SureNail shingle is awesome because it has that big wide pattern right here. Whereas most shingles have just two lines that are defined that say nail in between them lines. These have that strip where you can nail on that strip. And believe me, these shingles will hold down probably better than any shingle that I've found because of that little strip right there being so strong. It's a pretty looking roof right here. Make sure your installer is doing it right, or you're not going to get a good quality roof. Some people, when they run these shingles, don't ask me why, some people want to run them straight up and down. Straight up and down is 100% wrong. Don't do it. Don't let your contractor do it. This pyramid right here, the shingles will stay on a whole lot better. Look at here. Look at here. Here we are. Exactly what, I'm not talking to you. Sorry, Billy. Exactly what they're showing right here is a pyramid, see? Pyramid. They don't show anywhere on this pack to go straight up and down your roof. So again, don't let your contractor go straight off the roof. It's not the proper way to install the shingles. Nail pattern is very important. And if you're nailing, so I pyramid my shingles. I use the synthetic felt paper. We use 6 nails per shingle because we're at the beach. And because we're at the beach, you see how you just nailed that? That's how Owens Corning tells you on the package to install them shingles. So, and the purpose of that, let me show them real quick. The purpose of doing here and then 2 over here and then 2 and 1 is so that when you overlap your next piece, your nails are nowhere near the laps. Although we are using stainless steel nails. Thank you, Chris. So you don't just nail them random and throw the nails anywhere. If you do, it won't be right. So these guys that you see speed nailing, and they're on your roof speed nailing, tell them to get the hell off your roof. Because speed nailing is not the best way to install shingles. Place the shingles just like it shows you on the package. Excuse me, see this? nail, 2 nails, 2 nails, nail. That's the 6th nail. And what that does, again, is make sure that you don't have any nails on your seams, so that when your water gets in between there, it's not going to cause a problem. So have your contractor use the 6 nail pattern if you're in North Carolina or the 110 mile an hour wind zone. Some people have the 4 nail pattern inland, maybe someplace inland, but we don't. We have to nail the 6 nail pattern. And it's not a Mansford slope, so we don't have to worry about the daubs of caulking underneath. Proper way to install shingles. At the beach especially. Like I say, I use stainless steel nails. Stainless steel, because this is the beach. I'm not going to use galvanized. And sure, it costs $130 for a box of these nails. It costs you $25 or $19 for a box of what they call EG, electric galvanized nails, which are garbage. So go with the better nails, better shingles. These shingles are absolutely amazing, in my opinion. Owens Corning, Duration, SureNail Shingle. See? SureNail Technology. What they're calling SureNail is the strip that they put on it right here. And that's where you want your nails, right in that strip. And nowhere else. How to properly nail shingles, how to properly install shingles. Do not let your contractor go down and make a straight up run with these shingles unless he's at least breaking it 3 times. Here's ripping and home repair, and this is the way we install our shingles. Pyramid. We are beachfront, so the first thing you want to think about when you're beachfront is the kind of nails that you're using. All right, we are finished. Ain't ringing. All we have left is that right there. Caps are on, roof's complete.